This is a human rights scandal. These lives are being stolen. Last week there was a large protest outside the Senedd organised by Stolen Lives, a group of families and carers calling for the release of people with a learning disability and or autistic people from secure hospital settings in Wales. As chair of the cross-party group on learning disability, I was glad to address the Homes Not Hospitals protest and highlight the fact that human rights of people with a learning disability are being breached by them being wrongly placed in these units because the services are not there for them in their communities. Learning disability is not a mental health issue. This is an issue of inequality, and we've heard powerful testimony shared by the members of the Stolen Lives campaign that there are people with learning disabilities and autistic people from Wales who are detained in secure mental health settings simply because they are disabled. This is a human rights scandal. These lives are being stolen. The government stated in the Learning Disability Delivery and Implementation Plan 22 to 26 that it is committed to reducing the number of people with a learning disability housed in these settings. So what progress has been made and what action will you now take to ensure this inequality is ended?
I'm very keen to meet with people from Stolen Lives. When I was the Health Minister, I did a significant piece of work around this because it was very apparent that there were people completely in the wrong placement, particularly in hospitals. So it is something that I'm very keen to take forward. I'm unable to update you on your specific point that you've asked, and I'll be very happy to write to you on that.